When you're in a software setting and you have a major plan, make sure the team follows the Dolphin route. Ask them to show you working, tested software every month or less. We taped this lecture in Gouda on Agile Offshoring, but you've edited into chapters.
Yeah.
And I had the idea of making, let's say, one vlog on one chapter. I've just seen the other movie, and that's about how you must make software visible, because it's a non-tangible product.
Oh, okay, that's an interesting subject.
Yes.
Yeah, let's have a look.
But that if you do Agile, and if you work, let's say, if this is time, and this is visibility, traditional projects, they go like in a U-boat modus. So the project starts and then they go underwater and they remain underwater, and when the deadline approaches, people try to get it above the water. We're trying to test quality in, we remove bugs, and then we release. Probably sounds familiar. And the longer the cycle is, the more the project is in the U-boat modus, and in the end you definitely get what you don't need because of the time span and the duration it took about it. So this is like the U-boat modus. Well, what we do when we work with Agile is that we say, well, you have to have these short cycles. 2 weeks, sometimes even 1 week, not longer than 4 weeks. And in fact, what we do, we say, well, it's nice as you, but we have to have this visibility. We are dealing with a non-tangible product called software, which you cannot see, cannot touch, cannot hear, cannot weigh in the traditional way. So the thing we have to do in short cycles, make sure that this project comes above the waterline. So we have to not go into a U-boat modus, we have to go into a dolphin modus. And I'm not going, I will try to draw something that looks like a dolphin. Is it a little bit? Well, this is Flipper, you know, this is a dolphin. and that's the modus we have to go into. When you newly build a house, you will inspect the project. You go there every week, every 2 weeks. Actually, know people that build a new house and they visited the project every day. It makes sense. It's an important investment. So you want to make sure it's going all right. And if there's mistakes are being made, you would like them to correct them immediately. Well, for software, that is not so easy because software is invisible. So what you need to do to make sure that you can inspect it and you can see progress is having the team surface. So when you're in a software setting and you have a major plan, make sure the team follows the Dolphin route. Ask them to show you working, tested software every month or less.
This video blog is sponsored by ProAwareness.
And Frans, have you taped it?
Yeah, Rini, it's a wrap.
And what do you think about it?
Well, I'm not sure, man. You say software teams have to service?
Yes.
For better visibility?
Yes.
Well, it's not always better if things come to the surface. Some things have to stay at the bottom of the ocean.
You're wondering.